Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm so excited that Target's 12-day beauty advent calendar is now finally available. Do you want to see what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So this is another one that I always love to get every year because this one is priced at a lower price point. Yes, you're going to get small little samples in here, but for the price, I mean, at least you get 12 different products. You get to punch the doors opened. And last year this was $19.99 and this year it's $16.99. So the price is a little lower. So it's even more affordable if you would like to get this for yourself or a gift option for somebody in your life, because that is coming up soon. We are in November now. Holy moly. So this just hit the stores. They literally had to go in the back to get it because it wasn't even out on the floor yet. That's what happened last year too. So maybe I got good luck. Let's go ahead and dive in. Let's start going through them. This did have a plastic wrap, but I did take that off so I could take my still shot first. This one here is almost all the way open, but it happened in the package. I haven't opened anything yet. So let's go ahead and just start with number one. Is that one number one? Yes. That one is number one. So we'll finish opening it. I thought it was going to be a big product. This is a big door, right? There it is. All right. They could have put this in a smaller door. How cute though. Okay. So number one, let me remove the sticky stuff off here so we can see what it is. Okay, so this is by Hero Cosmetics, and this is the lightning wand. This is definitely a sample. I have the full size, so I will save this so one of you guys can actually try it out. But this is the dark spot brightening serum. So if you do have dark spots, or if you have blemish marks or scars or something like that, this definitely helps to kind of help with that. So again, I have the full size, so I don't want to open this one. I'll just stick it in a future giveaway for one of you guys to enjoy, so then you can test out this product. So there's number one. At least it's a product that I know and I actually like. So that's awesome. Number two, where are you? Number two. See, now that matches. That equation, that matches. Let's get this product out. Ooh. Okay, so now we have is a luminous putty primer, universal glow, and I hear that this is really, really good. If this is the same one that I already have, then I'll put this in my giveaway. If not, I will try to use it and see what all the hype is about. But I do hear that e.l.f. has some really good putty primers. So there's that, and this looks like this is definitely a full-size product. So that's really neat to have in number two. Yeah, so now let's find, so now let's go with number three is up here. It says it's valued at $70. I didn't notice that before. So it should be a value of $70. All right, so down in here, it looks like we got a collagen packet. So this is Vital Proteins Collagen Peptides, unflavored. So you do have one little pouch in here that you can try. And if you like it, you can buy this brand to get the full size. Collagen, I do like taking. It's something that's good for us, especially as we get older. So I'm all for collagen, so that's cool that you get to try one. Number four, where are thou? Right here. Okay, and this one actually matches. Oh, haha. Look, that's like a pouch. That's that little tiny serum. That's the e.l.f. thing. This looks like a blending sponge, and that's really what's in it. So they kind of give you a little sneak peek to the products on the outside. I thought it was just images. This says that it's a new look. Real Techniques sponge. But that's what it looks like right there. I don't use liquid foundation, so I will save this in my future giveaway pile. If you guys don't know, I am saving products because soon I'm going to do that giveaway where I will have an advent calendar that I'm just throwing stuff in the packaging and that beauty chest since you guys said you wanted it. So this and the other stuff that I'm saving in here will all be in one of those two. So now number five. Here we go. And this is a dry shampoo overnight renew by Collagen. And that's what it looks like. So you have a dry shampoo. Number six is right here. Is this lashes? Because that's what the pictures looks like. Yeah. And you guys know I don't do anything with these type of lashes. I barely use the magnetic ones when I'm bold enough. But these say, it says Light Collection, House of Lashes, Iconic Lightweight, Reusable up to 15 times, synthetic. That looks like some really nice lashes though. Nice in a full look. So there is that. This will go in that giveaway. That's so cool. I'm getting more products to give to you guys. And then you get to see this whole calendar to know if it's worth it for you to buy for you or somebody else. So it's always a win-win. Number 7 looks like a Pixie by Petra product. And okay, I've tried this. I've had a few of these samples before and I do enjoy this. This is the Glow Tonic Exfoliating Toner. And then if you do actually enjoy it, you can purchase the full size. And that's by Pixie by Petra. Number 8, right here. Looks like a mascara. Yes. And we have a full size Maybelline Great Lash. So there's that. I'll probably put that in that giveaway too. The more I can put in that giveaway for somebody to win, the happier I will be to be able to pass down and share with somebody. Well, 2 people. Now number 9, right here. Oh, this is a big guy here. The only thing I'm just going to say is I wish there wasn't 2 toners because this is a bigger toner. Then maybe they should have put a different type of product, you know what I mean? Instead of having 2. That's my only suggestion so far. And this is a bigger product. This is the Facial Toner Rose Petal Witch Hazel. So, rose petal. That will go in a future giveaway. But that is a lot more for you. You know what I mean? You get more bang for your buck with that guy than, this little guy. So, kind of wish there was a different Pixie by Petra product. And then they put this for the toner. That would have made more sense to me, but I'm not the designer. I'm just the opener. I'm the purchaser. Number 10. Ooh, okay, so here's another Hero Cosmetics. These are the Mighty Patches, and these are the ones that I really, really love. So I'm going to put this in the giveaway so somebody can enjoy this with the other product, because I do have the full size, but here is this so you can definitely try out, and it has a duo. And it says your blemish hero. So there's 6 invisible for night and 6 invisible for day. So there's 12 patches in here total, 6 night and 6 day. So that's cool because then these can kind of go together. That's neat. Now number 11. Okay, we have a Burt's Bees product. And this is a moisturizing firming cream renewal. And that's a good size too, like for a night cream to try out. And then we have one more product, number 12, and this will be the last door. And this is a NYX product. And it says it's a matte finish, long-lasting setting spray. I've never tried a NYX setting spray. So there's that. You guys, I honestly think this is a lot better calendar than last year. And they lowered the price. This is a really good gift, like I said, for yourself or for anybody else in your life because it gives them some really neat products. For only $16.99, you get a NYX setting spray. You have this larger size bottle of toner. You have a small Glow Tonic toner. You have a face cream. You have some pimple patches with the dark spot reliever product. You have a set of lashes. There's a full e.l.f. primer. You have a collagen to try out, a full-size mascara, a full-size sponge, and then you have a dry shampoo. Oh my gosh, you guys, I really do think this was better than last year. And for $16.99, this is a really good gift. Like I said, I mean, even if you wanted to break some up and use some as stocking stuffers and keep some for yourself, you have the option. So definitely go and check out Target if you would like to grab this and snag them before they sell out. So there you go, you guys. Comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of the products that came in here? What do you think of the new price points? Comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.